Hey divas, so in today's video I am here to share with you guys this full face. This is just like my warm go-to lately, so I wanted to share it with you guys. And I'm also going to be featuring one of the main products in this video, which is the new Studio Fix Tech Foundation by MAC. So if you guys are interested, then definitely keep on watching.
Hey, his body, baby, oh Lord of his mercy. Hey, I say, I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You a murder me, eh, 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 eh. You a murder me, eh, 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 eh. You a murder, 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 murder me. You a murder, 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 murder me. She says she want murder. I'm the guy you never heard of. So back it up and put it on a brother. Baby girl, I know you want murder. Your face, your eyes, looking very nice. The way you whine, I want you to be mine. So make you turn it up and put it on me. Girl, make you follow me and be my only. So make you go down, girl. Oh Lord, make you slow down, girl. Oh Lord, so make you go down, girl. Slow down, girl. Oh Lord of his mercy. Hey. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You a murder me, eh, 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 eh. You a murder me, eh, 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 eh. You a murder, 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 murder me. You a murder, 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 murder me. So make you give them, girl. So make you show them that you got it. The way that you wind that booty on me, you make me wanna sign that booty for me. I'll do you anywhere when you turn me on. You looking at me, girl, me say carry on. Say girl, I really like the way that you carry your body. Say girl, you can stand by me anywhere, all day, girl. You're a naughty, naughty girl. You're a naughty, naughty girl. Oh, I say I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You a murder me, eh, 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 eh. You a murder me, eh, 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 eh. You a murder, 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 murder me. You a murder, 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 murder me. Oh Lord of his mercy, she a murder me. She dey murder me. This body, baby, oh. Vicky's bad man, I see. Bulaka. Hey, his body, baby, oh. Oh Lord of his mercy. Hey, I say, I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You a murder me, eh, 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 eh. You a murder me, eh, 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 eh. You a murder, 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 murder me. You a murder, 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 murder me. She says she want murder. I'm the guy you never heard of. So back it up and put it on a brother. Baby girl, I know you want murder. Your face, your eyes, looking very nice. The way you whine, I want you to be mine. So make you turn it up and put it on me. Girl, make you follow me and be my only. So make you go down.
Okay, so we have come to the end of the video. I do hope that you guys enjoy this warm type of look. I really do love this. This is what I used to do like back in the day. Like I'm really loving like just bringing back the old way I used to do my makeup. For me, I don't know about you guys, but for me like MAC products always comes through, honey. Okay, so I had to kick it back old school. I remember that was like one of my favorite products to wear was MAC. But anyways, let's go ahead and jump right into this. So Today, even though I did the full face for you guys, I did want to focus on this studio. This is their Studio Fix Tech. This is one of their newer foundations. It's the cream to powder foundation. I have it in the color NW47 today. Usually I do wear NW48, but I guess in the different lines, like the colors vary, okay? And I will actually talk about that in a video, because I do get asked, like on my old makeup videos, like what is my shade of MAC and everything, and you definitely like can't like go in a straight line. But anyways, that's for another video. So yeah, I'm here to talk about how I feel about it really quick, just to close out the video. So this is their cream to powder foundation. So I have been testing it out. I did actually do a YouTube short on it to share with you guys, just like, you know, like that was like maybe like my 4th time wearing it. But yeah, so as far as like the packaging, I wish they would have just kept it matte, because or black. I said matte. I wish they would have just kept it black, because this just looks so like, it's a no for me. But so yeah, as far as the packaging, it does come with a mirror, which I'm gonna cover. It's down here. And then here is the actual product. So I really do like this foundation, but there is pros and cons, and it's going to depend on your skin type. So for me, I am combo. I am combo on the T-zone area, and then I am normal to dry on the outer perimeter. So the cons about this is that you will have to blot maybe after like 5 hours. Every time I wear the foundation, I needed to blot after 5 hours. But as you guys can see, the foundation is so beautiful on the skin. And honestly, I'm an oily girl, so I'm used to blotting. Like, it's not anything new. Like with most foundations, I have to blot. So it's not really a big problem for me, but I do want to let you guys know. But the pros about it is that it does give the skin a very flawless look. This foundation is not full coverage, because some of my imperfections, I don't know if you guys could see, because my skin has improved over time, like from when I started first wearing this foundation. So yeah, you probably can't see, but in this area you probably can, I don't know. But in this area, I do have a little bit of imperfections in this area as well. So you can build it up. It was one day where I built up the coverage, and it looked absolutely beautiful. So if you want something that's more like lightweight, or like, I don't know, for me, like I was fine with my imperfections showing, because I still feel like my makeup looks good. So I didn't build it up today, and also because I wanted to come and give you guys a review, so I didn't want to like, you know, amp it up. I wanted to show you guys what it looks like on the skin, even with like slight imperfections. So this is a medium coverage. Said all that to say that. It does feel very lightweight on the skin. The shade range, I do like the shade range. I feel like the shade looks really good on my skin. I'm always worried about like if a foundation will look okay watching the outer perimeter of my body, because as you guys can see, like I go from different colors. Like my chest area is a lot lighter, so this area tends to be a lot lighter. So I don't like the contrast to be too much, because you know, it just looks crazy to me. But overall, I do like the foundation. It is very long wearing and long lasting, and it looks beautiful on the skin. And this has been my go-to, and yeah, I'm like feeling her. Like this is going to be my spring bae as far as foundations go, because yes, I just have like maybe one or two other ones, which I will share with you guys, because I'm just going to do more makeup videos, so I can be sharing it with you guys. So I told you my pros and cons, so just leave it up to you. But yeah, divas, thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it. If you did enjoy this video and find it very helpful and easy to follow, then please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear from you fabulous divas and know what you guys are thinking. And be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit that notification bell. I do upload quite often, so you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.